The code we write is becoming a secondary thought to the prompts we craft. Your keyboard is starting to feel like a legacy device in a world where logic flows through a digital filter before it ever hits the screen. We are watching the transition from manual labor to architectural oversight in real time. Think about that first tool you likely tried. It lives as an extension within your current workspace. It is the safe path. It is reliable and fits right into your existing habits without asking you to change a single thing. It feels like a much smarter version of the text suggestions on your smartphone. This tool is great for knocking out repetitive tasks. It saves your wrist from the constant strain of typing out standard boilerplate. But it has a distinct ceiling. It lives in a small bubble. It sees the specific file you are working on, but it often struggles to see the bigger picture of your entire application. It is the bargain option for a reason. If you are just starting out or working on smaller scripts, it is a solid choice. But then you look at the specialized AI-first editors. These are not just plugins. They are entirely separate environments. They treat your whole code base as one big interconnected map. When you ask a question, the system does not just guess based on the current line. It searches your entire history. It finds that one obscure function you wrote 3 months ago and suggests exactly how to use it now. It is incredibly powerful for large-scale changes. You can tell it to move a whole feature from one place to another, and it just does it. It feels like magic until you see the monthly bill. This is the premium choice for people who want the technology to be a true teammate rather than just a helper. Then you have the Challenger. This is the one that offers a massive free tier and tries to bridge the gap. It has this unique way of cascading changes through your project files. It feels fast and light. It might not have the massive community or the polish of the more established players yet, but it is catching up quickly. It represents a shift toward more accessible high-level automation. You are no longer just a coder. You are a conductor. You are managing a team of digital entities that never sleep. The friction of starting a new project is vanishing. The barrier to entry is dropping. But the complexity of managing these tools is rising. You have to know when to trust the suggestion and when to step in manually. Some tools give you more control. Others take the lead and do the heavy lifting. It is all about finding your personal sweet spot between cost and capability. Do you want the software to stay in its lane, or do you want it to drive the car while you navigate? This is the fundamental question of modern development. Every time you open your editor, you are making a choice about how much of your own brain power you want to outsource. It is an exciting and slightly terrifying shift in how we build the world. This transition is not just about typing faster. It is about thinking differently. The most popular tool right now is likely the one you already have. It is easy to set up. It plugs right into the editors you already love. It is essentially an autocomplete engine on steroids. It is great for staying in the flow. It does not demand your full attention, but it lacks that deep structural understanding. When you move to the more advanced editors, the experience changes completely. You are suddenly working with a system that understands the context of your entire project. It can rewrite dozens of files in seconds. It allows you to switch between various logic engines to find the best fit for a specific problem. That level of sophistication comes with a higher price tag. It forces you to adopt a brand new workflow. Then there is the middle ground contender. It is the budget-friendly disruptor. It offers a generous free experience and a unique way of handling multi-file edits. It is newer and maybe a bit less refined, but it is perfect for independent developers who need power without the high overhead. You are basically choosing between a helpful assistant, a full-blown partner, or a versatile hybrid. Each one offers a different vision of the future. You just have to decide which one fits your hands.